Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're featuring what we believe to be the best blonde dreadlock extensions currently on the market. The 30-inch Dreadlocks Extensions by Byksvioc in shade number 613. These synthetic locks are not only eye-catching and vibrant, but they're also incredibly lightweight, comfortable, and easy to install. If you're looking to elevate your look with dreadlock extensions that blend hippie vibes and modern quality, then stick around. This is the video for you. Let's start with the basics. These 30-inch extensions come in a pack of 20 strands, and they're all double-ended, meaning you get the most volume and length out of each strand. They're made of high-quality, high-temperature synthetic fiber, and every single lock is 100% handmade. That's right, this isn't your average factory-stamped hair. These are crafted for realism and comfort. Each strand is approximately 0.6 centimeters wide, offering a thin, elegant finish that looks remarkably close to natural locks. Now let's talk texture. These dreadlocks feel soft, with just the right balance between flexibility and structure. They hold their form beautifully, yet they're gentle against the scalp, an essential trait if you're planning to wear them for extended periods. The synthetic fiber is heat-resistant and skin-friendly, meaning you can use a hairdryer with cold air to reshape them if needed. And because of their lightweight design, you can rock these all day without any strain or discomfort. You won't find that bulky, heavy feel that some cheaper extensions bring. Instead, these locks flow naturally, giving you effortless style that doesn't compromise comfort. Styling is where these extensions really shine. Whether you're going for a hippie, reggae, or hip-hop look, or even a style that's entirely your own, these dreadlocks give you the creative freedom to express it. You can mix and match them with other colors from the same series, braid them into your natural hair, or wear them as is for a full dramatic transformation. Because they're double-ended, they add volume and length on both sides of the braid, making them ideal for full head installs with just 4 to 6 packs. Installing these locks is straightforward. Since they're crocheted, they integrate smoothly into natural hair with minimal fuss. The extensions may appear slightly bent or creased when first removed from the package, but no worries. Just let them air out for a day or two or hit them with a cold air hairdryer and they'll bounce right into place. You won't have to worry about shedding or odor either, they're crafted to be long-lasting and clean. And for maintenance, just follow standard synthetic hair care, avoid heat tools and wash with gentle products. So there you have it. The Byksvioc 30-inch blonde dreadlock extensions are a game-changer for anyone seeking bold, beautiful locks without the weight or hassle. With their handmade quality, stylish appearance, and all-day comfort, these extensions deliver standout value for both everyday wear and special occasions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product breakdowns. See you in the next video.